Hello, Wesley Atkins here and welcome to KD Spy. KD Spy is a browser extension that sits at the top right hand corner of your browser whenever you want to reverse engineer a category. As you can see, we're browsing the Amazon bestsellers here for the Kindle store. So I'm going to click into cookbooks, food and wine. A single click into Kindle Spy will pull the results for this first page and give you a results table here showing the book's title, the pages, the price, the estimated monthly sales, the estimated monthly revenue, the reviews and the sales ranks of all of these books. Once all the results have pulled through, you see we've got the average sales ranks of all of these books, the average monthly revenue, the average price and the average number of reviews. As you can see at the bottom here, we've also got a traffic light system showing popularity, potential and competition. It says here this category is very popular and books here have good sales volumes. The revenue potential in this category is very good and warning, the competition here is very strong. So this just gives you some more information to understand how to move forward with your research in this category. At the top here we've got an information tab which tells us the amount of sales that we would require to hit in a 24-hour period to become a #1 bestseller in this category. At the top here you also get a word cloud. A single click into there will show you all of the words in use in the bestseller titles. So you can see down here the top 5 words used in the bestseller titles are recipes, cook, diet, pot and ketogenic. So what better way to perform your niche research than to discover what is already working for the bestsellers in this category. One of the latest features of version 5 is the ability to pull data from the books category on Amazon. You can see we're in the bestsellers again, all departments. I'm going to click into books. Then I'm going to click through to computers and technology. A single click into there, the page will load. And now you can see that we've got different results here for paperback. We have Kindle and hardcover, and KD Spy will have the ability to segment them into unique tabs. So all of your hardcover and paperback results will be in a new book tab here, and you get all of the same results with a unique estimated monthly sales algorithm and an information button up here telling you how many copies of your book you'll need to sell in 24 hours to become a #1 bestseller in this category. Another unique feature of version 5 is the ability to track the performance of a book and its multiple versions at the same time. A single click into here on this book, hit refresh, you can see we've got the tabs at the bottom for the Kindle, the hardcover and the paperback version with all of its unique stats. And a single click into the green button here will track the performance of this book and its multiple versions over a period of the next 30 days. If you've ever wondered how one of your competitors are performing, then KD Spy will pull the results for any author page and give you a tabbed format segmenting their books and their relative performance. And last but not least, for this demonstration video, we have a keywords tab down here. We're going to single click into there and we're going to type in a seed word. We're going to just type golf, and this pulls back all of the Amazon suggestions for this keyword. You can see at the bottom left we've got pull results A to Z. A single click on there, KD Spy will go out to Amazon and pull all of the suggestions for golf A, golf B, golf C. This will give you a huge list of keywords to work with, which allows you to see the average monthly revenue by clicking on get or analyze for analyzing that keyword in more detail. So let's click on golf workout. I'm going to click on analyze there. And KD Spy will go out and pull all of the keyword results for that keyword and its top 20 books and their relative performance, again in the same tabbed format with the popularity, potential and competition and the average monthly revenue up here for this keyword. Okay, so that gives you a brief overview of KD Spy version 5. I hope you grab yourself a copy and use it to increase your publishing royalties.